Hey parents, this is Taylor Kelly from North Pontotoc Upper Elementary. We're here to talk to you about some math grades and different sorts of assessment ideas that you may not be aware of for this year. We are working on in class what we call builder grades, and that is where your student is taking short formative assessments between 5 to 10 questions to see if they are mastery on the skill that we are working on. So over the weeks, we're going to be taking these short assessments, and then we're going to do we call build a grade, where we build all the assessments together and take an average of those assessments as your quiz grade for that student. These builder grades are just, like I said, short, between 5 and 10 questions, but they lead up to our common assessment, which is every 4.5 weeks, which is kind of like our test on the skills that we're teaching in the classroom. So students will be taking these quizzes up for the 4.5 week mark, and then at that 4.5 week, they'll take common assessment on everything we learned in that 4.5 weeks. All of our quizzes and common assessments are in Mastery Connect on the computer, so students will all be taking these quizzes and these tests through the computer in Mastery Connect. Also, to check student grades, you'll need to log into the parent portal. Right now, it may seem like there's nothing there because there's probably not anything there since we're doing these builder grades, but you will want to keep up with your parent portal to check student grades. To do that, you're simply going to go to the district website, pcsd.ms, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom on quick links where it says STI/Chalkable Parent Portal, and that's where you'll log in to see your students' grades every time that you want to get on there and check. Again, please be patient with us as we're doing these builder grades. It takes some time to get these grades in the computer, but I promise you they will be in there soon.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Teeter, and all of these grades that we take in Mastery Connect, I know you're used to seeing test papers come home and you can see what your child missed. After all the students have taken the quick checks, then we will release that information on the computer and you can log into your child's Mastery Connect account and see what they missed and see what they got correct. Some resources that will help you in math class is if you log into your child's Google Classroom, we post videos, we post copies of homework, notes, links, anything from math class that would help you or your child. Just log in as your child on their Google Classroom. Also, your child will have notes that they take in class, either in their binder or in their math journal. If they have Miss Tutor, they have a journal. Any other math teacher, they have a binder. So be looking for those notes. We don't have textbooks. We use lots of different resources. So if you look at their notes or their handouts, you'll be able to see what's going on in class and what we're working on. As far as homework, we give 5 short homework problems typically on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday night. This homework is never for a grade. It's not to stress you out. It's just to let us be able to check and make sure that your child is understanding what we're working on in class, or we're spiraling back to make sure that they still know skills that we have already taught. So don't stress out over it. Just have them try the best that they can.